Hello everyone. A political squabble between police minister and DA leader John Steenhuisen turned ugly after Cele accused him of abuse. The minister, during the debate of SONA this week, slammed Steenhuisen's public utterances about his ex-wife and slammed women in the DA for keeping quiet on the issue. He said, "I want to make a clarion call today, especially to DA women, that as we see these problems of gender-based violence, they could not have allowed their leader to make the statement about his ex-wife. He called her a roadkill. Roadkill is an animal you kill and don't care about. For a leader to make that statement and the women don't say anything is a serious indictment." Steenhuisen called his wife roadkill during an interview with Bheki and co-host Sol Penduka on the podcast and Chill with Bheki. The DA Women's Network defended Steenhuisen's comment, telling the Bold newspaper that women should not be oversensitive. Cele said John was not ready to lead the country if he still sees women as roadkill and calls them flat chicken. Cele said, "Let's work together to deal with GBV." That invitation also goes to Steenhuisen. "We want to hear you apologizing for abusing a young woman who came to work in your office. The women around you are quiet and not saying anything. You came to this podium and talked about GBV. You go and fix yourself. If not, we will help you." The EFF leader Julius Malema defended the DA leader and said to Cele, "We can't allow a situation where a minister drags the wife of the leader of the opposition and she's not here. You can't do the nonsense you are doing, because when we're starting to respond, we are going to be in the wrong. We shouldn't use women to fight our own political battles to a point where allegations that cannot be confirmed are said here. We cannot sit here and allow the minister to abuse the wife of the leader of the opposition in the name of fighting GBV. That is woman abuse. He must be called to order and to withdraw that unconditionally." Cele then said, I withdraw the statement." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.